Welcome to How to Stop Procrastinating. In this video, I'll give an overview of the course curriculum and discuss what you can do to get the most out of this course. The first thing to mention is that this is a 7-day program, and I do recommend going through in the sequence provided. If you wish to jump between days or subjects, then that is fine too, but there are certain organic links that get made between the days by going through in order. Now, as well as the videos that you'll be watching, there's a very important resources section. And in the resources section, you'll find links to articles, links to the scientific studies that I'll mention, and also downloadable exercise worksheets. Whenever you get to a video where I'm talking about you doing an exercise, please go ahead and pause the video at the end of that section and take the 5 or 10 minutes to do the exercise so that you can reflect on your thoughts and feelings about the thing that you've just learned. You'll get the most out of the course that way. This resources section, by the way, is accessed through the dashboard. Now, what's the philosophy of this course? The philosophy of this course is that procrastination will always exist in our lives to a lesser or greater extent. And the thing that makes a difference is your own personal performance. I liken it to an unwelcome house guest. That guest is either outside in the garden or bashing down the front door and interfering with the things that I'm trying to get done in life. When you've got excellent levels of personal performance and you've got your own house literally in order, that unwelcome guest tends to stay outside and not interfere. Now, how do we achieve this? In day 1, we look at powerful routines, and this goes throughout all points in the day. We'll talk about how you get up, how you structure your day, and even how you enhance rest so that you're feeling more energetic. Day number 2 is on passive motivation techniques. This comes down to 2 things. It's about environment and the things that you're placing in your environment. And secondly, some of the practices that you can do that will kick your subconscious into gear and bring the solutions that you need in life. Day 3 is on planning and prioritization. Now, the truth is that often we don't even write down the things that we're procrastinating about. What would life be like if we actually wrote them down, included them on a plan, and on that plan it had everything else that we needed to get done today, and these things were put together in a way that showed very clear priority? I feel that by getting to that place, we actually have a fighting chance of doing it. Day 4 is on execution. Execution is about excellent levels of personal energy and also having strategies to dismantle any confronting mental or emotional blocks that may come up in the moment. Day 5 is on personal integrity. Integrity is about following through on what you said you were going to do and doing it on time. I'll show you some really fascinating ways to understand a more empowering definition of what integrity can be, how to restore it when you break it, and also how to declare it to the world. Because when you start declaring high levels of personal integrity within your own life, it has an improvement on not only what you're getting done for yourself, but also your relationships. Day 6 is on attitude. Now, I'm a professional life coach and I do events and coach people one-on-one. And what I do in those sessions is I ask people questions. So I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks of the trades to highlight the types of questions that you can ask yourself so that you can shift your attitude in a moment. And there'll be other subject matters within day 6 too. The final day, day 7, is about living a life without regrets. This is ending the course on a high note. This is where we're bringing everything that we've done and going beyond procrastination so that we can mesh it together with some wholesome meaning that will bring a well-rounded result in our lives. So we'll go beyond procrastination here, but you'll see how we can live a life without regrets and therefore kick ourselves into gear even more to get things that we want to get done. Have time for your family, have time for your friends, and really, deep down, this is what this course is all about, creating time and space and results in your life.